So CarShield is like the biggest scam. I don't know why people sign up for it. It's so obvious it's a scam. These extended warranties are garbage, and they put these famous celebrities in their commercials to make it believable. They're just there to collect a paycheck. They don't even have CarShield for themselves. Like, listen, I get mail all the time about extended warranties. This stuff is fake, man. This stuff don't do anything. It doesn't, yeah, right. Flexible costs, but here's the thing. They don't pay for anything. It's not real. Look, take my word for it. You can go on YouTube right now and just type in CarShield, and there's a lot of videos about CarShield not paying for repairs and just false advertising. So, like, seriously, the most expensive one is ridiculous. Like, come on, man. Like, this is stupid. Stay away from CarShield, please. Just stay away from CarShield. Oh my goodness. If you have a car that's old, look, repair costs are expensive, I know, but for God's sakes, stay away from CarShield.